guys, good day to you all and happy weekend. Hope you all are doing okay. Welcome to my channel, welcome to my page, Chibaby Solomon and African Delight Delicacy. Please, if you are watching me for the very first time, comment, like, subscribe to my YouTube channel and also share my page, please. So today in my kitchen, I'll be making Ukazi soup. Ukazi soup because our community is having their end of year party today, so we'll be making our traditional delicacy, our traditional soup, Ukazi people in Abia State. So guys, I'll be cooking this delicious meal in my kitchen to serve, that will serve approximately 70 people. So yes, I'm going to prepare this meal. Is our signature meal where everybody that comes from Abia State or Ngwa and the part of Imo State know this delicacy Ukazi soup. This kind of Ukazi soup is not Afa soup. It's not the type of Cross River and Akwa Ibom soup. This one is for Abia State and Ngwa people. So guys, follow me up as I prepare this delicious meal in my kitchen. I'm gonna show you the ingredients that I will be using to prepare this delicious meal, Ukazi soup. Let's go, guys. This is the meat that I'll be using. This is shake, cow stripe as they call it. This is shake, already washed thoroughly and cleaned very well. So another one here is more cow skin, also washed thorough and clean as well. Another one is beef red meat, so already washed also, and I will still wash it again. So first of all, I will start by cooking the shake first, because shake used to be more tougher than beef and also pomo. So I'll start by cooking the shake. After some time, then I cook the beef. I'll be spicing the meat with chicken stock, onion, pepper, and others. So here is the stockfish that I'll be using. Stockfish head, already cleaned and washed also. So yes, I will still show you more ingredients that I'll be using because other ones is not included here. Yeah, so guys, stay tuned while we make this delicious meal in my kitchen.
sleep behavior. They sleep and do and sleep and make
Melatonin, he adds, is a sleep hormone that is secreted by the pineal gland, located in the center of the brain when night falls. This hormone regulates our waking and sleeping cycles in a normal 24-hour period. In a long Arctic night, melatonin is produced round the clock and can disrupt normal sleep patterns.